I had this website sitting around, focused only on N8N templates, but I'm building way more tools using AI than that, so I decided to completely transform it without using any page builder, just Claude AI and code snippets. Let me show you exactly how I'm doing this while I am doing it. First thing, my homepage doesn't reflect what I'm actually doing now, so I'm rebuilding it completely using AI-generated code. Here's my approach. I'll use a Claude project to keep everything organized, then systematically rebuild each section with AI assistance. I'm creating a new Claude project called AI Built Tools Renew and giving it project instructions about what I'm building. This keeps all my files and conversations isolated in one place, which is super helpful when you're rebuilding an entire site. Now, everything I need is right here in this project. I already have a code snippet on my site from when I initially built this. I'm going to copy that code, paste it into Claude, and ask it to analyze what's there first. Claude asks me several questions about what I want to change. This step is actually really important. I'm not using a super specific prompt here, because I'm not creating a completely new page from scratch. If you want detailed prompts for building new pages, I covered that in my previous video about ditching Elementor. You can get the card for that video in the screen. I answer Claude's questions one by one, and it starts generating my updated page code. All right, code is ready. I copy it and paste it into my code snippet. I'm using WP Code, but any code snippets plugin works the same way. Click Update. I already have this shortcode integrated into my homepage, so let's open the page and see how it looks. My homepage looks okay for now, as I want. There are some more modifications that need to be made, but I will do it later. Also, the header and footer too. I will show you those in my next video. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, I need to add a new section here, my face and an About Me section, right between Explore Tool Categories and Why AI Built Tools. First, I upload my image to WordPress and grab the link. Then I go back to Claude and ask it to integrate my image nicely in that spot and add a simple About Me section. Just wait a few seconds and code's ready. Copy, paste into the code snippet, update, refresh the page. There it is. This is how you work step by step with AI. You won't get the perfect final output on the first run, so you iterate. Copy the new code, paste it into the snippet, update and refresh. Much better. Now let me show you something really important. See my homepage? It looks like this. Watch what happens when I go to my theme customizer and update something. I will go to my theme, which is Neve, and click Update the theme. Refresh the homepage. Wait, what happened? Everything broke. This is exactly why I use a custom prefix for each page. Without it, your code snippet styles can conflict with your theme styles. Let me fix this. I update my code snippet with the prefix AI Built Home on all the style selectors. Save it. Now refresh the page again. Perfect. No conflicts. This is a crucial step. Always use a unique prefix for your code snippets to avoid style conflicts with your theme. This is how I'm rebuilding the entire site without touching a page builder, just Claude AI, code snippets, and iteration. Next video, I will change my current header and footer. If you learned something, drop a comment, and please like the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.